how to add name to broadcast on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add name to broadcast on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here just select any broadcast you want, like this one, and after you click on it just click these 3 points in the top corner, and not here, click on the top here, this one, and here you will find these 3 points, this one. Just click on it and then select this one here, change broadcast list name, and here just add any name you want and click OK. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.